a lot of reasons. But I know how to eat this. It's like you do that. By the beach.
So, how's your trip so far?
It's going amazing.
Where are we
See,
walking?
we're with Coach Ian.
Where's the water for here though?
It's on the other side, like by the parking. It's a cabin.
Fireball. Make it up. Trust. Well, can I make it? Wow.
Our world will live is upside down. The planet done talking, things are turning around against you and me, him and her. The mother earth is unleashing the wrath that humanity's worth. We know what time it is, 2020 year of the punishment. The COVID hit hard and it's tougher than never been. The years just settle in. I wonder what is coming, gotta be honest here, the shit is bugging. Aight, come on, you don't stop, you don't stop. What's happening in the world today, you don't.
At least we out here. Know what I'm saying?
Okay, okay, go sit. This is how you do it. Okay. When I walk away, you're gonna wave. Okay? I think we're gone. 1, 2. You're gonna.